Now in question number 12, we have a consumer who is living in intertemporal utility maximization problem. So the utility function of the consumer is log of C1 plus 1 plus log of C2 upon 1 plus rho. Alright, and her income is W1 in period 1 and W2 in period 2, and rate of interest is R. So the budget constraint becomes W1 plus W2 upon 1 plus R. This must be equal to C1 plus C2 upon 1 plus rho. Right. So this W1 plus W2 upon 1 plus R, this is a constant value I. So you can think of this as a intertemporal utility maximization problem. So it's in the same time period you can think of utility maximization in two commodities. So here the MRS will be equal to del U by del C1 upon del U by del C2, right? So del U by del C1 is 1 by C1 and del U by del C2 is going to be 1 by 1 plus rho into C2. So that is equal to 1 plus rho into C2 upon C1. Okay, and in here, if you could think of this as P1 and P2, so you can resolve this as P1 C1 plus P2 C2 is equals to I, where P1 is going to be equal to 1 and P2 is going to be 1 by 1 plus rho. So the price ratio P1 by P2 is going to be nothing but 1 by 1 plus rho. Sorry, not rho, R. Sorry, this is R. Sorry, my mistake. This is R everywhere. So this becomes 1 plus R. Okay. Now utility maximization implies that MRS must be equal to price ratio. So 1 plus rho upon into C2 by C1 must be equal to 1 plus R, which implies that C2 by C1 must be equal to 1 plus R upon 1 plus rho. Now what I know is from the given question is R is greater than rho. So if R is greater than rho, then this value must be greater than 1, since you have R greater than rho, right? So what we have is that C2 must be greater than C1. So consumption in the second period must be greater than consumption in the first period. And intuitive reason for this is that the rate of interest is higher than the discount factor rho. So rho, you can think of the discount factor, R, you can think of the interest rate. So interest rate is higher than discount factor, so you want to consume more in the second period. Alright, but that's only true for this particular form of utility function. If the examiner changes utility function, these things are not going to change. So don't remember this as a rule. It's not a rule. It's true in this particular utility function, and the intuitive understanding here is to explain to you that if rate of interest goes higher than your discount factor, then you would want to consume more in the second period, irrespective of what W1 and W2 are. Okay, so it's independent of when you are earning and how much you are earning, irrespective of all that.